Hello guys, this is me, Nemy, Kipgen, and welcome back to another video. Today is the day we all have been waiting for. Many of you requested a house tour and we are going to be doing that today because your wish is my command.
Your wish is my command.
So let's go and do a house tour today. Before we get started with the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapaka.
And hit the bell icon so that you get notification each time I post a new video. Okay, let's get started with the video. As soon as we enter the room, this is how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Alright, this is a treadmill. It's dirty because it's quite dusty this side, and yeah, there's a balcony this side. There's a balcony here, and this is a tissue paper. This is Jesus. Oh my god. This is TV, and this is some stuffs. There's a sofa here, and there is this sofa here, and yeah, this is my Wi-Fi connection. This is my fridge. This is a dining table. I don't have filters, so I use this. This is my water filter. This is garbage that I have to go and throw in the morning. This is kitchen. These are dirty ones we need to wash. It's not washed. This is my gas. These are the cupboard. This is vegetables, tangjing. And as we go this side, there's one room here. This is my working room. This is my table. This is my office laptop. This is my that's my working chair. There's a cupboard there where I keep some of my stuff. There's one bed here. This is my birthday gift from Miss Toy. There's this. This is wax heater. This one is bathroom. Alright, let's go let's go to the next room. This room, we are about to sleep, so maybe I'll continue tomorrow. Ha ha ha. I'll continue tomorrow then. Okay, so that's the view. This is number 1 living room. This is the living room. That's the kitchen. There's one room here that I just showed you, and there's another room. There's no AC in this room, that's why my sister and I sleep in this room.
Many unbearable hours later.
In this room, this is me. This is the bedroom. My sister is making the bed. There are some stuff. See, that's my chapel. We just changed the bed sheet, so yeah, the bed sheet is in the ground. Tissue paper. Out here, there is this cupboard where we keep our clothes. There is also a cupboard here. Same thing. Yeah, that's our room tour. There's a balcony here.
Like, kung ano?
Like in maangay mapo po. Bahay dong loko here. I think that's okay. But I can't see. That's a bed sheet. A bed sheet got their machine, washing machine. Yeah, this is how it looks outside at night from our balcony. That's our balcony.
Namutag.
Ipil.
Like, tag ba? Namutag.
My sister is going to put the bed sheet inside the machine. Bye. It's hot outside and there is a washroom here. This is washroom. See, that's our washroom. Washroom kisan kibet sa ta azong tu. That's our washroom. Onal mozidan. Yeah, that's it. That's how our room looks like. That's a room tour. You have seen the other rooms, so guys, that's the house tour. Actually, this is not my house. What? This is actually a rent where I'm staying right now. It's I'm staying in Faridabad and we are paying rent. This is not really our house, but yeah, since you wanted to see where I stay, so that's it. That's yeah, that's it. That's where I stay with my sister right now, and yeah.
That's it? That's it.
Wanna say bye, Peng Peng?
Bye!
Before we say bye, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please like my video and share it as much as you can.
Please. This is serious.
And yeah, that's it for today. I love you guys. Bye. Bye, Peng Peng. Peng Peng, bye, Bolong. Bye.